So you can see I'm testing out this big iron cast griddle here in my kitchen area. I'm doing some bologna and some eggs over here. This is completely non-stick. Make sure to use non-stick utensils as you don't want to scratch this. You can use this indoors or outdoors. This is a huge 25 by 16 inches, so you could actually grill up a lot of stuff on here. This would be great to tailgate with. Maybe you're going camping. You could throw this over a gas or charcoal grill. It is nice and big, and you can see it's got nice big stainless steel handles on here, very sturdy. And it is super simple to clean. I have a glass of warm water here. See, everything is kind of baked on, fried on here. Just taking a spatula, just loosening up all the food that's on here. I mean, super simple to clean, and it looks brand new again. You don't need to use any harsh chemicals on it, just some water, scrubbing it a little bit, and everything comes right off. Then I'm finishing just using a rag, drying it. So really simple, very easy maintenance. So just like that. So I would definitely recommend this. This is nice and heavy duty. There you can see the bottom of it. Again, nice strong handles, super, super durable. It's gonna last you a lifetime. Can use it indoors or outdoors. So I wanna thank the brand for gifting this to me. This is definitely worth it. So if you were checking this out, I definitely recommend.